Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial that will show you how to set up a Weebly website. So just before I get into it, once you've watched the video, you can give Weebly a go by clicking a link in the description below to this. That'll take you through to a free trial version of Weebly so you can try it all out for completely free. So when you join Weebly for the first time by clicking that link down below, that'll boot up a free website builder. And if you sort of avoid that for any reason, or if you find yourself on this dashboard, to access it again, hit My Site in the top right hand corner and then click Add Site right there. So this should be the screen that you see when you first log in. If you click I just need a website, and then have a few minutes to browse around the templates that are available to you. Try and find a template which closest resembles the site that you want, and then you can evolve that template to suit your needs really. You can preview them by single clicking them and then just have a good look around to sort of find something that, you know, is either simple so you can edit it, or something that looks like the site that you want. Once you've found that, you can click Start Editing in the top right hand corner. That will then open the site in the website editor for Weebly. So it's very simple, very intuitive, very easy to use, very easy to access, and most of the stuff exists in a menu on the left hand side that we call Elements. Obviously this comes up now as it's asking you to do you want to connect to a domain that you've bought from a provider, which you can access at a later time. So I'm just going to close that. But like I said, most of the stuff that you'd involve with design of a website are available here on the left hand side, and they're draggable. So if you see like I want a button, you can click and drag that into the website, and then the button will appear as you see there. When you click that element, then you get a little menu that appears, and if it's text, it looks like a word processing package. If it's an image, it gives you the ability to edit that image or, replace it, and so on and so forth. When you've got a button, you've got the ability to link it to different things and, change the position and change the text that appears there. So, like I said, it's very easy to use, very adaptive, very intuitive. If you can't find something that's a function on the Elements menu on the left hand side, then it would be in the App Store, which is extensive, and you can use third-party plugins through embedding code and things like that. So if it's not built into Weebly, there's most certainly something that you could access that would allow you to embed it in from a third party. The Pages menu at the top will allow you to see all the pages that are in your site, access them by single clicking them, change the title, delete them, access some of the basic settings, and choose whether to make them visible in the menu and things like that. You can also add a page to your website from that area by clicking this little plus symbol there. So you've got a couple of different categories to choose from in terms of page types when you first create one, and that will allow you then to sort of quickly build and assemble a website. Settings then at the top allow you to change some of the basic settings for your site, as well as change that URL that we saw at the start. So that wizard is accessible through there. Once you're happy with all of those settings and you've created a site and linked it all up and done all of your kind of back end work, then you can publish it in the top right hand corner with that little blue button there, and that will make your site live for public view. So that concludes the tutorial. Give Weebly a go. That's the best way to learn it, and you can do so for absolutely free with that link in the description for this video. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, you can give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.